Charlotte, darling. Charlotte Tilbury is at it again. This is the new Charlotte's Magic Water Cream. If you have dehydrated skin, this has water-locking fusion technology, which will give you 100+ hours of hydration. It will give you this dewy, glass-like, mega nourished, beautiful base, a dream. Look at my skin. It is gorgeously hydrated. Look at that. The reflection, the glass-like finish. Ooh. And now to really get that perfect base for makeup and to join the Mermaid Core Hollywood Flawless Filter, babes. Everyone knows this. It's a filter in a bottle. It will smooth, blur, and illuminate the skin like no other. The Mermaid Core Glow, I'm all about it. Look at that. Charlotte, darling, I'm obsessed.
And then this time, I'm gonna tap it with my finger. That is a sexy cheek. And looking at it from far, you could definitely see the difference. I'm actually really happy with this purchase. I think this is totally worth it. And Pinkasm is beautiful on its own, but the highlight definitely gives it that Hollywood pop. And I think I'm gonna add some right under my eyebrow too. I think we nailed it. What do you think?
There's the new Pillow Talk Plumpgasm Burn. Let's talk about it. New lip gloss has heat and ice technology, which is how you get the plumping effect. So there is a little bit of tingling effect that happens, but this is what's so great about this product. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so that's where the hydration comes into play. We all hate those plumping lip glosses that leave your lips red and literally raw. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of liner. The consistency of this almost feels like a lip oil. It's not sticky at all. It just sits really comfortably on the lips. So girls, you heard it here first. You can go ahead and kiss your boyfriends and they're not going to be complaining about the burning on their lips. No more fillers for me. Thanks, Charlotte.
Guys, I found the best way to find your perfect lipstick shade as someone who has no idea if she's warm toned or cool toned. This lipstick shade finder by Charlotte Tilbury has been an absolute game changer, and all you have to do is download the app. And then after that, I just answered a few questions of my makeup preferences and the type of products I like to use already. And oh my god, you guys, it gave me so many recommendations, so let's try all these lip products. Okay, I'm gonna try some lip combos they recommended. So for the pink section, they recommended 90s pink, so I have the lip liner as well as the lipstick. Line my lips. Okay, that lip liner itself just made my lips look so much more defined. But let's pair it with the 90s pink lipstick. Oh my god, I actually love this combo. It's not something I would usually go for, but it looks so good. Okay, let's try another combo they recommended. Okay, next they recommended was Icon Baby. So let's try the lipstick and lip liner. That looks so natural on my lips. I can't wait to see what it looks like with the lipstick. Let's try on Icon Baby. Oh my god, my lips literally look metallic. There are shimmers in here. There is no way. That is so cool. My lips are literally glowing. Okay, I'm officially obsessed with these matches from the app. You guys just need to run and try it out yourself.
Ready with me while I tell you about the 4 cleansing mistakes I see all the time. I'm in New York and I decided to treat myself to a luxury skincare routine. And I'm starting with Charlotte Tilbury's newest cleanser, which acts as a 3-in-1 to cleanse, hydrate, and prep the skin for makeup. But back to the mistakes. Number 1 is not lathering your cleanser and activating it in between your hands. This ensures it's actually spreading over my face, and this is a cream to milk to foam formula, so I want to take advantage of that lather so that it can actually work into my skin. Which brings me to number 2. If you're not working your cleanser into your skin for at least 30 seconds, then you're wasting your time because you need to take advantage of the ingredients in your cleanser that can help restore your skin barrier by leaving them on the skin. Also, don't skip your hairline. This is an area people often forget, which can lead to breakouts. Ensure that your cleanser is actually good for your skin type. I have really sensitive skin, so I need to find a cleanser that's going to restore my skin barrier and not strip my skin while removing makeup. Then I have to layer in essence and hydrating serum and seal it in with the iconic magic cream. The peptides and hyaluronic acid in here seriously plump the skin, and I love massaging this in using the Charlotte Tilbury tap technique to get the juiciest skin before bed.